What are some of the big talking points or conversations you've been having with some of the attendees that have approached the Starburst stand?
Yeah, it's awesome. It's not only people coming to me to talk about data, it's also me walking around talking to other people about it. So I get to sneak out every now and then. I had a talk this morning. My talk was AI strategy and really how data products feed the AI strategy. You never know how that talk's going to go. I had a full room, so I was pretty excited. I had a lot of people come by. Hey, you were talking about how data products enable business teams to really understand data. You're talking about how data products actually accelerate on AI strategy. And so I was kind of excited that those topics resonated. Then they're all coming in saying, awesome. They're all coming in saying, show me how, right? And so they're challenging us with not just the, give me the great vision, but show me the execution. So that's always the fun part.
100%. And obviously you mentioned you did a talk there. Could you give us a little bit of a sneak peek in some of those topics you were talking about at that talk?
Oh, this morning, yeah. So three big things, right? I think the first thing is I told teams, when you build data products, you build them for the business, which is cool because when you drive AI, you're driving it for the business. So there's no such thing as an AI strategy for IT. There's an AI strategy for the business. What's really cool about data products is that when you build a data product with the business team, and then you put that data product in front of an AI solution, kind of demystifies the AI solution. Now they understand where the data came from. And as they start to get answers from the AI solution, they're more likely to trust it because they know exactly where data came from. Maybe another point that I would talk about, that I talked about this morning, has a little bit to do with AI governance. What's interesting about AI governance is it's not very different from data governance. What is different is AI governance is trying to really solve governance for a whole lot of different use cases. So you have a lot more variety. You have a lot of more different people. You've got ML use cases, you've got automation use cases, you've got Gen AI use cases. So trying to build an AI governance model that supports all that is really tricky. When you do that with data products, when I can say, here's a data product, here's an owner, I can verify the quality, I can verify the security, I understand the risk, and I can make that same data product available consistently to a lot of different AI solutions, that's real governance.
Do you have any predictions for the future of AI and its relationship with data? How is AI going to play a role in data management, data governance? What's its role going to be?
Yeah, that's whatever I predict, it won't be big enough. Yeah. I think every month I'm surprised, and I use AI every day. Here's the thing: is to be fair, right now, if I could imagine, it's a big vision, but it feels like it's moving slow. But every time I blink and open my eyes, I feel like we've made a big kind of jump forward. So I think it's moving so fast for even a lot of us to appreciate. What's my big prediction? Bringing back to data products. I think when we look back on 2024, let's say it's 2026, and we look at what worked in AI and why AI was successful, I guarantee you, maybe that's too strong, guarantee you that we're going to look back and say part of the reason AI was successful was because we were able to get data into the AI engines. And I hope that we'll be able to say it's because we're able to get data products into those AI engines. So that's my big prediction. Data products will be a big reason for the success of AI engines within companies.
If you could use one song to describe your passion for data, what would it be and why?
I left my cowboy boots back at the hotel. Robert Earl Keen, the road goes on forever, but the party never ends. And that's the way I feel about data. The road goes on forever, but it's a lot of fun. That AI party never ends.
For the latest tech insights, visit em360tech.com.